Good morning, May 25th, 2022. This is my pre-market analysis of US30. So it looks like price is beginning to fall, starting to drop. So from last evening, last post I made, this was a push up yesterday. Price kind of just hung around in this area as I suspected that it would over Asian and early London session. And now it appears that price is breaking down and I believe is going to retest these previous levels. These previous levels coming down here 31.7, 31.5, 31.4. Then beyond that, we're looking at about 31,000, which is my actual long-term target. I actually got in, so I've been taking some L's, but taking some W's as well. So I had some. This week has been mostly red. Well, I don't want to show that week because this is last week included too. So, anyways, so I had some. This is from last week. This is from 5/13. So going back a little bit further. So that was the little win streak I was having last week, and then this week has been a lot of L's trying to find positioning. I had a small string of W's and then some more L's. But now, or after those L's, or during those L's, or actually shortly thereafter, I got back in at up in the 32,000s area, 32,040. So that's basically what I'm looking at here. So really, this I left it from yesterday, I think. So 32,040 approximately, 32,040. So approximately up here. And I have my stop 100 points up, so about 32,140. And then my TP ultimately is 31,000. Um, 31,000. So I'm also trailing my stops. So right now I have my stops trailed at 31,950, if you can see that there. So I'm trailing it as I go, and that's what I'm going to be doing now for the rest of this morning. But I believe price is going to drop on the lower time frames. Is making now lower highs. I mean, I had that push up, but it is now making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Go down to the M5, beautiful structure. Lower, obviously this was pushing up, still kind of a double top, if you will, triple top really, and then lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and now we're making a new lower low as we speak, still going lower. So I believe that price is going to continue to drop. Now, what do we have today? I think we might have news today. We got FOMC meeting minutes at 2 o'clock, so I'm not gonna hold off just because of that. I mean, regardless, I'm trailing my stop. So right now, I could probably adjust my stop sum is 31,785. So I have my stop right now 31,950, which is right above this level of structure. I'm probably gonna adjust it now to 31,9. So 31,9 is right here. So that puts me pretty well above the last couple 15-minute candles, including the one we're on now. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna keep trailing it, keep riding it down. I think maybe it won't hit 31,000. We'll see. I mean, maybe not this morning or today. Could happen, but if not, I mean, I think it might at least retest this low here about 31.5, 31.4. Yesterday, that was the low that it hit was 31.4. So, I could see it going down to anywhere in there and possibly having, some resistance pushing back up, or some support rather pushing back up. So, we'll see where it goes. And happy trading. I'll be back with you after NY session today.